Hi guys, welcome to topNotch tutorials. In this lecture we shall study about SQL. SQL is nothing but structured query language. It is not just a query language that is used for accessing records in the database. It is much more than that. Now SQL is used to define the structure of data, modify data, and also it is used to specify security constraints in our database. Next, we shall study what are the different parts in an SQL language. It consists of data definition language, that is also called DDL. This DDL provides commands for defining relational schemas, not just relational schemas but also the information within those relations. It basically gives the specification of relations, how to modify relational schemas, etc. The information included along with the relation is type of values associated with the attributes of the relation, then the integrity constraints in the database, as well as the physical storage required for each relation on the disk, and certain security information for each relation is also specified along with the relational schema by DDL. Then there is data manipulation language given by SQL. This is a language that has the ability to manipulate the information in the database. It has the ability to query data and insert the tuples, delete tuples, or modify the tuples in the database. Then integrity is another part of SQL. Integrity includes several commands to impose integrity constraints on the data in the database. These integrity constraints are also given by DDL, and the updates that violate integrity, they are not allowed. And view definition is another part which is again given by SQL. View definition includes commands for defining views. Transaction control. The SQL includes commands for manipulating transactions, creating and defining the beginning and end of transactions. We can perform operations within transaction using the transaction control statements. Then we have authorization. There are commands for imposing access rights on relations and views that are given by SQL, and thus SQL also provides authorization. Next, we shall see what are the basic types that are allowed in SQL, or the basic types that that we can access using SQL. The first of which is char, that is nothing but a character. It is a fixed length character that may have a size of length n, and this n is user specified. Next is varchar. The difference between char and varchar is that varchar is a variable length character string, while char is a fixed length character string. So varchar, a variable length character string, again with a user specified length of say n. Then int and small int, again int is an integer. A small int is a subset of int. It may have a range less than that supported by int. Then numeric p comma d, here it is again a number, where p is the total number of digits while d is the number of digits on the right hand side of the decimal. For example, numeric 3 comma 1, where p is 3 and d is 1. The total number of digits are 3 as seen in 44.5, while there is only one digit on the right hand side of the decimal, that is 5. So this is how a numeric digit is written. Then real, double and float precisions are also supported by SQL. So this is a small overview of SQL, and if you have any queries then please write us in the comment section. Thank you for watching.